It is an aspiration. It is a dream. Regardless of who the administration or the president is. In a democracy, hindi pwedeng nagsisiping lahat sapagkat mawawalan talaga ng balanse. And that is a very, very dangerous precedent. So, it is not me trying to create a scenario to have an effective opposition.
Will you
I am begging the Filipino people, let us put credible people in the Senate and in the House of Representatives. Nakikiusap ako sa sambayan ng Pilipino na huwag nating hayaan na hindi magkaroon ng at the very least effective opposition if we cannot have a dominant opposition at the moment. As for yung aking tugon, hindi ko
Yes.
gumagawa ng sinabi. Yun ay ang aking vision, yun ang aking aspiration, yun ang aking pakiusap sa bawat Pilipino na huwag nating hayaan na makontrol ang both houses ng Kongreso. Because that is a very, very, very dangerous proposition.
will you include